Have you sent out a call for submissions, gotten a new paper into your system, and then nothing happened? No email went out to your author. No email went out to your reviewer. And you are sitting there wondering if anyone even knows the paper exists. This is one of the most common problems editors run into with OJS. And the annoying part is, OJS does not always tell you it is happening. It just quietly stops sending emails, and you find out weeks later when an author emails you asking why nobody replied. So today we are going to talk about why this happens, what usually causes it, and what most editors try that does not actually fix it. Let us start with the basics. OJS sends emails for almost everything: submission confirmations, reviewer invitations, and editorial decisions. If that email system breaks, your entire editorial workflow slows down without anyone realizing why. There are usually 3 places where this breaks down. The first is your server mail function. Some servers come with a basic mail function turned on, but many hosting providers disable it or restrict it because of spam prevention. If your server cannot send mail at all, OJS has no way to deliver anything, no matter how correctly your journal is set up. The second is SMTP configuration. Most modern hosting providers actually expect you to use SMTP instead of the basic server mail function. SMTP is a more reliable way to send email because it authenticates through a real email account instead of just firing off messages from the server. If your OJS install is still trying to use the basic method instead of SMTP, emails often get silently rejected before they even reach an inbox. The third is your OJS notification settings themselves. Inside OJS, editors can accidentally turn off certain notification types, or the default templates can get changed in a way that breaks the trigger. So sometimes it is not even a technical failure. It is a setting that got flipped and nobody noticed. Now here is where it gets tricky. A lot of editors try to fix this by just checking the notification settings inside OJS. They turn things on and off, they resave the page, and it seems to fix it for a day. Then it breaks again. That is because the setting was never the problem. The real problem is usually happening at the server level, or in how your hosting provider handles outgoing mail. And those are not places most editors have access to or know how to check. This means your journal can look completely broken to an author, even though on your end, everything appears to be working fine. Diagnosing which of these it actually is takes checking the server logs, testing the SMTP connection, and confirming the domain authentication is correct. If your journal has gone quiet, if it is a settings problem or a server problem, that is exactly the kind of issue we fix every week at OJS Guru. Head over to ojsguru.com and we will find out exactly why your emails stopped sending and get your notifications working properly again so your authors and reviewers actually hear from your journal. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.